And we came up the ladder to this landing point. If you've never been up here, it's pretty fascinating. Tom put the light on. Now you can see all the shelving in here. This is right above Elaine's, Stefanko's desk and office in the old bell tower. And it's cool with all the shelving. They used to have books up here, and probably an easier access point than coming up to the ladder. It's the old air conditioning unit. It's put out of use. Here's some of the new air conditioning unit and piping. And now we have the two time capsules. So we have the one we just did in 2014. And Tom put these up here, and the other one from 25 years ago. More than that now, but we're going to open those in a long time, but they're nice and safely stored here in the bell tower at the Osterhout Free Library. Now we're next going to go up the stairs to the next level, and I'll resume the video up there. I already showed you the first and second levels, which are way down there, and then I came up to the third level, and then I climbed this new ladder that was put in, I assume when they did the renovations in 2009, and to this level. And they built a new landing here, and they fixed all the vents alongside the bell tower, and here's looking out towards the front of the building, the library, looking at South Franklin Street. Really cool. All this was renovated 2008, 2009, and it looks great. You can see where they added additional concrete blocking on the top of the old bell tower and created the new subroof here. And there's a drainage system that runs outside of it in the tower where the old bell tower was. Now it's a flat roof there, but pretty amazing to see. That ladder goes up there. I'm not going to climb up and out there this time, but it is cool to see all this and know what's up here. After all these years, I've wanted to see it. Just a lot. Looking at the air conditioning units, and some new and some old, and then here is the top of the children's wing. See, it's covered in pebbles and rock, and overlooking South Franklin Street. See people entering the library, the front, the rose window, and back to the roof. We have the far view, and there's Tom Jones up there in the peak of the stack wing, and he's helping give me a tour here and see all the units and see the dimensions here for possible solar panels, and just get a feel for what's up here. I've never been up here in all the 8+ years I've worked here at the Osterhout. So that's a tour above the children's wing. Interesting perspective. And I'm going to give you a little quick tour and show you the roof. This is over the gate slab. We have our new air conditioning units, and just going to show you just a little quick walking tour of the roof. What we have, I took some pictures, just showing you the 45 by 45 foot area over the back stack wing, the new air conditioning, and possible use up here for solar panels, and just showing you everything that's up here. There's over the side stack wing that's near Rick's office, and the tower. We're going to climb up in the tower later, and the peaked roof, and the entry portal above the ramp. Just going to get you a wider view here. There's the river. And here's a wider view over the back stack wing. And we're looking at the pitched roof side facing the Westmoreland Club. And getting direct sun, possible solar panels, and also just to see how it's doing since the roof repairs years ago. And just giving you a little tour. What it looks like. Pretty high up. I'm going to spin around. Got the Historical Society building in the back, right over my office, which is right at the corner of the building here. And looking at the pitched part of the roof, all the way across on the one side, facing the Wilkes side, just to get a feel for what's up here, type of roofing, and the dimensions overlooking the back stack wing. And we are standing on the side wing, the stack wing, next to the main roof, overlooking the back stack wing.